This is Roger Rogers for the Nature Channel. Today, I'm exploring the wonderful Aussie outback, and we're looking for Animals Day. So you know what that means? We're going to find some. So, oh no. Do you guys see that babooba bee right there? For sure, the Aussie locals call him the booby. Now, when he senses, see like that, right there, when he senses some of his mating partners have been here before, he starts rubbing his genitals on the ground. Ah, such a beautiful sight. I think I should get in closer. I hope he doesn't see me. Oh God, there are more! Oh no! 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 No!